gentlemen, I am back again with a wonderful and a new video for you on in map reading. So today I will want to teach you how to identify features using grid references. And with grid references, we have a 4-figure grid reference and a 6-figure grid reference. What is a 4-figure grid reference? A 4-figure grid reference is a 4-digit number which tells you a proposed position of a feature on a map. What is therefore a 6-figure grid reference? With a 6-figure grid reference, it tells you the accurate position of a feature on a map. And when you are asked to read features or identify features using these grid references, like a 4-figure grid reference, always make sure that with a 4-figure grid reference, the box or the square northeast of the meeting point of the two grid references will be your point of concentration. And with a 6-figure grid reference, the meeting point of your two lines will be your point of concentration, and you will identify a feature there. And with a 6-figure grid reference still, please, the third digit will be an estimated number. Let us just consider this 665, which is written on the screen. 665 075 is will have a meeting point, and on the map of Bournemouth. Without much time, let's see what we can be able to do. Okay, this is the map of Bournemouth, and your teacher may ask you to identify features using grid references. Like in the previous video where I talk on what are grid references, you can watch that video. Your teacher may ask you to identify a feature using 4-figure grid reference and a 6-figure grid reference. Now, your teacher may want you to identify the water feature found at grid square 6511. Please, when this a 4-figure grid reference is used, you have to identify first of all the eastern, which is 65. You identify 65, which is this, and then you get to 11, which is this. Then you draw a line. If we are going up here, we discover that 65 meets 11 at this point, and then this is 65, and we have 11 going down, going this way. Then here, please, you should always concentrate your mind. You always concentrate your mind at this grid square. At this grid square, you concentrate your mind over there. So if we look at it there, we discover that the water feature here is the line Sari, which is a lake. This is the lake, and we have the line Sari as the name of this lake. Now let us also get to the grid square that identify the height, that is a point above point that's 420 meters. Identify a point above 420 meters at grid square 6 to 10. 6 to 10, like I said, always start with the eastern, which is this 6 2, and then 10 we move to 10 here, and then 10 gets this way while 6 2 get up this way. And where they meet, please, I'll show you it to you clear. Where they meet, we see this is 10 and we have 6 2. Here the grid box northeast of the meeting point, the grid square northeast of the meeting point is our concentration. And if you look at this is 420, and they have asked us a height above that, a height above this, which is 459. 459. It is denoted by this triangulation pillar, or what we call a trigonometrical station. The height above that is 450. That's how we identify features using 4-figure grid references. Now let's get to a 6-figure grid reference. Like I earlier said, a 6-figure grid reference will actually tell you the position of a feature on a map. It gives you the right position of a feature on on a map. The teacher may ask you, identify the feature at grid square 665. 665. That you identify the feature at 665,085. Like I said earlier, this 66 stands for Eastern, that's Eastern 66. 5 here, which is this 5 here is an estimated number, 08 is a northern, and 5 here is also an estimated number. So you should be able to estimate these 5 in tens. That's between 0, that's 6, sorry, between 6 and 6 7. You should be able to estimate in tens, and also between 08 and 09. You should be able to estimate in tens. So this is 66. This is my 66, and if I am estimated between 66 and 67, and I have 5, I will estimate my 5 at the middle here. I would estimate it at the middle there, and then 08, which is this, and 9, I also estimate my 5 here at the middle here. So I will trace this line very straight forward. If you can use a ruler, please. I will trace this line this way, and then as I'm tracing, I get down this way at the same point, and I get up this way, this other line, 665. I trace it up, and I discover that these two lines are meeting at a certain point here. They meet there at a certain point, and this is something 2M, or this it's like M. See here, it's like M, and here I therefore get to the map. I therefore get to the map key, and I determine what this stands for. This is the 2M here, and this 2M, or this M, stands for the ancient monument and historical buildings at the care of the secretaries of state for the environment of Scotland and for Wales, and that are open to the public. So this is what that point that we have identified there, the feature we have identified is standing for. So it is an ancient or a historical building or ancient monument. So you can just get to your answer sheet and you write ancient monument, and you are done. Okay, example number 2 with a 6-figure green friends. You may be asked to identify a touristic information. Identify a touristic information at grid square 610, at grid square 610172. This is our 61 over here. 0 means we are still tracing on this line down. It remains 61, and 172. So we estimate our 2 to be at this level, and then we get toward this direction. We get toward that direction. Now, if you look at where 610 meet with 72, you look at this core here, and we get to our map key. We get to our map key, and if you look at it, this core here represent a caravan site. So why not just get to your answer booklet and you write there the caravan site, and that would be it. So you should be able to estimate your 6-figure grid reference accurately, and you have the right feature. The same as with the 4-figure grid reference, you concentrate on the box northeast where the 2 points meet, and you have the right answer. Okay, brilliant people, that was it about identification of features using 4-figure grid reference and a 6-figure grid reference. So please, why don't subscribe to my channel My ideas is your idea. I will be very ready to answer your questions. Just put your questions at the comment section. Subscription is free, and turn on the notification bell so that you not miss any of this video. Like please and share the video with a friend, and next time we'll look into the next topic. Subscription is free, and turn on the notification bell so that you not miss any of this video. Like please and share the video with a friend, and next time we'll look into the next topic.